Hi, my name's Jennifer Taylor, and this is my abandoned house. It's been abandoned for probably 3 or 4 years. It needs a lot of work. As you can see, it's not been tended to for quite a while. There are vines growing up the door. Uh, Actually, needs a couple doors. Animals come in and out of the house all the time. There's raccoons in the attic. But something about this house calls to me, and I want to do something special. Rather than let it just collapse like so many other houses around it, I thought, why not make it special? Like, cover it with sparkles. That's what I'm thinking. And turn the inside into an artist studio. We can have art classes here. We can invite artists to come and have a residency. They'll have their own room they can stay in while they're making their art. There's also a lot next door, which I intend to turn into a sculpture garden. I want to invite artists to come and just create a sculpture. And I want to invite local gardeners to come and plant some flowers or vegetables. And oh boy, look at that ceiling. I'm going to have to tear everything out, right down to the studs, which is kind of a fun job, actually. And this is going to be like a storage room in here with a utility sink. And then this is going to be expanded a little bit into a pleasant bathroom, if you can imagine. I need a little bit of help. I need a few bucks here and there to make this thing happen. I'm literally going to cover it with sparkles, and I'm hoping that maybe you want to play with me and participate a little bit. So thank you in advance.